Hey, what is going on? Come here, our winners, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Doombringer on Linux. It's a pretty simple installation, kind of close to the Unreal Tournament one, but there's a few intricacies and things that make no sense. So let's get right into it. First off, you're going to want to come over to doombringer.eu, link in the description of course, Files, and hit that Windows, Mac, Linux main host. You want whatever the latest version is. And just save it. Boom. It's about 1.5 GB, I do believe, so I'll get that downloaded and come back once it's finished. Alright, so when that's downloaded, you're going to want to extract this file right here. So extract that out, and the first thing you're going to want to do is rename the folder that comes out. So we're going to wait for this to extract, but you're going to want to rename the folder and make sure it hasn't got any spaces in it, because scripts don't deal very well with spaces. Hopefully this will be fixed by the time you get around to installing it and you won't have to do that, but there is a chance that you will have to. So when you've finished doing that, you're then going to want to open up this with an editor, come into here and open this in your terminal, and you'll see right here you have these two. We like those. So then you're going to want to chmod +x dark places -linux -x8664 -sdl or glx. Personally, I used SDL because it just worked for me. It's the first one I used. I think I just tabbed to complete and it came up first. So yeah, you're going to want to do that, and if you run that you will actually get an error. If we run that, you'll see a bit of a weird screen because of screen sizing, but you'll get an error here that it doesn't have a game to actually run. So we should be back. Okay, that's fine. That's what we're going to fix over here. We then want to come over here and replace this dark places bit. We want to do .-resources. So that's this folder over here, / and whichever one you changed earlier, which for me is the SDL one. So I'm just going to copy paste that over, make sure you don't have any extra. Cool. Then for some reason you have to do the hash get rid of that. Possibly that will be fixed, but the game is in pre-alpha. I will redo this once this is completely finished. Hopefully, we are working on getting packages for everything and getting really easy install scripts rather than having to do this. But right now, I think it's just better to have some way to install it so we can get more Linux players to be able to test the things we are building. Because obviously we need more operating systems. We've only got really Debian, Void and Arch, I think, are the ones we've got currently. So, we'll save and quit that. We can then hop up a level, and we're back into this section here. So that's the one we want, and we want to chmod +x that one _linux.sh --doombringer _linux.sh. Boom, we're in game. We can go, we can play, we can create a game. This won't be the way. I have a load of settings set up, which do save to like your opt file rather than anything else. So yeah, this is the game. Boom, very fun. And yeah, down in the description will be a link to the Discord over here. There'll be this link, so you can get into the Discord server and come chat with us, come play some games with us, and hopefully you'll have a load of fun in the game. So that's going to be about it for this one, and hope you enjoy playing some Doombringer.